So guys, Bitcoin is doing something it hasn't really done in this entire market. Most people are completely missing what it means because right now the market looks simple on the surface. Bitcoin moves up, then it drops. Then it tries to recover, then it fails again. So this has been going on for a very long time, especially when it reached closer to the 80,000, broke through the 80,000, and then just a few days ago, we saw it dropped massively and we saw a lot of people getting liquidated. So, this is what is happening in crypto. And in the last 24 hours alone, more than $400 million in crypto positions were liquidated. So that's what's going on right now. And let's break down what is actually happening. Bitcoin is currently hovering in the mid 70,000s, and that range has been going down for a long time because momentum above 80,000 level couldn't hold. And this matters because the 80,000 zone was supposed to be a psychological breakout point, and a lot of people, that is when many people that were sidelined kind of took positions because they knew the market was ready to move, but that hasn't been the case yet. And a place where momentum would build and the market would continue higher, but instead we have actually seen it as a place that we got rejected. The interest that people had is kind of slowing down. So every time Bitcoin pushes higher, sellers step in, and every time it drops, buyers also step in, which creates this constant back and forth movement. And whenever this happens, it means there is going to be a point where one wins and the other lose. And the higher this back and forth goes, the higher or the bigger the scale of the upside or the downside is going to be. And I think this time around is likely to be an upside. And here's where it gets interesting. In a strong bull trend, Bitcoin doesn't behave like this. It either breaks out aggressively or it corrects sharply and races. But what we are seeing right now is different. It's grinding. And the grinding markets are often the most frustrating phase for traders because nothing looks broken, but nothing is really working either. Underneath of all this price action, the market is still adjusting to a new structure. We are in a phase where institutional participation is higher than previous cycles. Bitcoin ETFs are active, large financial institutions are involved, and long-term holders are still largely staying in position. But at this time, short-term traders are extremely aggressive. So now what we are getting is a split market, long-term stability and short-term chaos. And that combination creates exactly what we are seeing right now.